This video is for the 7th grade blog project assignment 1, create a blog. First, you're going to open a new tab, and then in the new tab, you're going to go to weebly.com. Next, click on sign up in the top right corner. And then from here, click on continue with Google. If this appears, you're going to do the next 2 steps. Otherwise, you're going to skip the next 2 steps. Anyway, step 1 is click on the drop down arrow, and step 2 is click add site. And again, if that doesn't appear, then you skip that step 1 and step 2. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click not now. Then from here, click on other, and click Modern and Elegant, and then click Start Editing. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to type in what you want your name of the blog to be. So for example, if it's Erin and Ava, we can do something like Erin-and-Ava. And then click on search. Then from here, what you're going to do is click the bottom choose option. If it says unavailable, you'll have to choose another name. So you just click on choose at the very bottom. And then click done. Next, you're going to add your partner as an editor. So you're going to click on settings up at the top, and then click on editors, and then click add editor in the top right corner. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to type in your partner's email address. Make sure that you spell it correctly or else it won't work. And then what you'll do next, of course, I'm spelling it incorrectly as I speak. You'll just go ahead and click on Save Editor. Then from here, what you're going to do is click Pages up at the top, and you're going to delete some of these extra pages. So we're going to click on Home, click on Delete, and then click on Delete. Next, click on Shop, click Delete, click Delete. Then click on About, click on Delete, and click on Delete. Click on Contact, click on Delete, click on Delete. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on where it says blog, and then you're going to click the drop down arrow next to no header and choose header. Next, what you're going to do is click build up at the top, and you're going to rest your pointer over where it says love seat and then click off. Next, you're going to scroll down a bit so that you can see the white space, and you're going to rest your pointer over where it says author and then click on the X that appears and then click on delete. Next, what we're going to do is add a new blog post. So we're going to go ahead and click on new post in the bottom right corner, and then you're just going to scroll down to where it says post title, and you're going to type in about us. Then you're going to click and drag a text box to go into the dotted line area. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and then click on the 3x3 grid to go to Google Drive. So then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to search for the document that has your blog posts. So for example, I'm just going to start typing in the word blog, and it appears. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag to highlight the information under About Us. So then from here, what you're going to do is hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. So you've highlighted it and then hit Control-C. Next, you're going to return back to the Weebly tab, and then you're going to click where it says click here to edit, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard. Then from here, you're going to click Post. Next, click on Close. From here, you're going to click back over to the document with your blog posts, and you're going to click and drag to highlight the information under topic 1. Hit Control C on your keyboard. Click back over to the Weebly tab. Click on New Post in the bottom right corner. And then where it says post title, you're going to go ahead and type in what your first topic is about. So for example, mine is about Instagram and depression. So I'm just going to type that up at the top. And then I'm going to click and drag a text box into the dotted line area. And then I'm going to click where it says click here to edit and hit Control V on my keyboard. Then click on post up at the top and click close. Next, what you're going to do is add another post. So you click New Post in the bottom right corner and then scroll down a little bit to where it says Post Title. And my last post is about whether or not you own your Instagram photos. So I'm just going to type in, do you own your Instagram photos, ? And then from here, what I'm going to do is click and drag a text box to go into the dotted line area. And then click back over to my blog document, and I'm going to click and drag to highlight the information under topic 2. Hit Control C on my keyboard, and then click back over to the Weebly tab. Click where it says click here to edit, and hit Control V on my keyboard. And then I'm going to click on post and click close. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to put our names up at the top and choose a different picture. So click where it says click here to edit. And so for example, I'm just going to call it Erin and Caitlin's blog. And then from here, what I'm going to do is choose a different picture. So I'm going to click on the picture that's there. And then when I do that, edit background will appear. Click on that. And then from here, click on replace. And next what I'm going to do is click on search up at the top. And since my blog is about social media, I'm just going to type in social media and hit enter on my keyboard. And then click on explore free photos. And then from here, I'm just going to select a photo. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. So I'll click on select. And then from here, you want to make sure that you're able to read your text. So it's a little difficult with this light background. So what you want to do if that happens is click on where it says darken 0%. And in this case, I'm going to go maybe to about 50%. And as long as I can read my text now, then that's good. And then you'll click on save. And that's it.